Hey folks, welcome to another, this is not a review, this is another video from 247 Tech Talk. This coming weekend I'm heading out to a soccer tournament out of state. My daughter plays soccer and I'm using the opportunity to get a bunch of footage for different projects and, not just to showcase the projects themselves, but also to, get some nice add-on footage for things I may do in the future. And so I thought for a moment I would do a quick video and kind of show you the essential gear I will be taking. So I am going to start with the Xbox Go. Those of you who follow my reviews might recall I reviewed this some time ago as a writer for The Gadgeteer. This is that device that you place, has a quarter 20 on a tripod. You put a phone in here and it connects via Bluetooth to the phone and it moves and it follows the action. It has an app that sets it up. You tell it what sport you're recording. In my case, it's soccer, and it does everything else. It has a battery built in, comes with a cable, and of course I'll charge that up to make sure it's good to go. It has a remote, which I very rarely use, and obviously being out for 3 days out on the road, recharging is something I want to do, and I'll show you in a minute what my plans are. So let's put the Xbox Go aside. I love this thing. One of the things I am reviewing right now, as I go out there and I'm in the sun and I'm, recording and I'm looking up and looking around, these are the Outdoor Master shades, action glasses, action shades. You'll see a full review of these on a collaboration with Julie Strellemeyer's Gmail, YouTube channel, I should say. But these are the shades. Check out the full review coming soon. Julie Strellemeyer YouTube's channel. You'll see that soon. The next thing that I'll be taking with me, which is something I'm also reviewing in collaboration with the Julie Strellemeyer Gmail's channel, is a Roku. This is a drone that on the type of drone I've wanted for the longest while. I've taken it out, I've charged it up already. You'll see the full review, but what I love about this, I'm not going to take it out of the box further because that will be in the full review, is that the controller comes with a built-in screen. And it's 4K, so no longer do I have to be concerned about putting, and here's a terabyte memory card I got, putting my cell phone, onto this controller. I've done that before, had it lose connection, had it drop, had it fall. So there you go. And then I will be using, for other recordings, one of them is my Insta360 X5. It has the tripod handle here. This has the built-in battery and remote. 360 video, excellent camera. The other camera I'm going to take with me is the Insta360 Ultra Go. Love this because I can put this on a lanyard. The camera comes out, clips on your shirt or wherever you want it, and you can see what's recording on the screen, on the flip-up screen. Excellent camera. Used this in some of my reviews before, so you may have seen that. And then you say, well, Julian, you're taking all this stuff. Where are you going to put it, and how are you going to charge it? Well, it's all going to be carried in this backpack. You've seen this on YouTube before. Let me make sure you can see it clearly. This is the Colax Lancer 300. Mine is brand new. It's a very expensive backpack, I have to tell you. Comes with sort of exoskeleton hard body. It's got some weight to it, but it's well balanced so that you don't feel it that much. It's very modular. So this top, for instance, this pack can come off completely if I wanted to. I'm just gonna leave it on there for now because I'm still packing, right? Well, let me take this off just to show you. I don't know if I want to go through all that. What I do want to show you at the moment is the inside here. You've got this strap here that you can strap something on, and then you've got let's pop this, huh? It's brand new, like I told you. I got it for this trip and for some future plans I have. You'll see it more and more in my future plans, my future reviews. I have some plans coming up. In here, you've got the separations for camera gear. A lot of this I may or may not use, right? This is a perfect spot to put my drone case in. So I'll probably take all these dividers out. It does come with a strap, right? Something that I likely will not use. And it comes with several different straps, I have to tell you. So it's very, very adjustable. The reason I'm not going into any big in-depth in this is if you go on YouTube, there are probably 1,000 YouTube videos showcasing this bag. It's been around for a while. It's a specialty item. It's an expensive item. But if you're going to get the use out of it, it's a worthwhile item. And you'll see more why in a bit. Why I say that in a bit, at least for me. So you're seeing that the bottom here is another bag so the center here and the bottom here are connected, as well as the back, right? So I'm just going to show you the front first. You got another strap. There's a waist strap. And you can see a hand can go in here. It's actually going up into the back space. So you have connectivity there. Again, it's just a matter how you want to pack. But in the back, you can also get access, which I love. You open up these straps. This has got metal straps in it. This thing is very well made, okay? All these buckles are metal. And in the back, which is where I want to access from. And by the way, this frame, exoskeleton, whatever, is Velcroed in. You can actually, you have the ability to remove sections. Well, I don't know if you can move sections of it, but it may be removable. We'll figure that out. But I opened the back to show you. You got some more of these dividers, which again, may or may not be useful to me. What I want to show you is this, right? The magic arm. So here is the back I showed you. It looks like there's a pouch in here that might be a waterproof pouch. We'll figure it out in a second. This goes to the front that you saw my hand in before. And before we touch that, let's see what's at the bottom here. Yes, so you can zip in the bottom here and get into that pouch. Is it a waterproof pouch or is it a shoe pouch? It comes out, so it is a waterproof pouch, right? So you can sort of cover your bag. I'm pretty sure if it's raining, you can cover your gear. I want to stuff that back in here. Again, this is not a review of the bag, so don't feel like, oh, well, he's not showing us everything. Again, you can go Colax Lancer 300. You can see it all over YouTube. The thing I want to show you, number one, is this arm, which will start to make sense to you. This arm actually attaches to the bag, and I'm not gonna. It has to be screwed in, but it's a tripod, right? We're gonna do this right here, right? And it does extend pretty tall. You see me? I'm going past the screen now. So you're going pretty high up with this, right? So imagine this with the where'd I put it? With the bag somewhere. Because remember, the Xbox Go comes with a large tripod, but that's another piece of separate gear to carry. A large tripod. And when you're going out to the soccer games or whatever, family, you've got things like you're outdoors for 4 games in a row for 8 hours. You've got a tent. You've got a cooler. This hooked to the side of the bag, and there is my video shooting the entire game on my backpack, right? I'm sorry, I'm out of range. Here we go. So, see it badly, I'll make it short. So this will be at the side of the bag, but all the way up. All right, and that hard skeleton of the bag is what will allow this to hold this up without a problem. But also remember, I'm taking the X5 with me. I'm taking the Ultra Go with me. So I have many different cameras. As I'm walking around with my backpack, I can be filming, right? Because you will do the same thing with for instance, this X5. I love this extended battery because that also has a quarter 20 on it. I think I've shown you guys this handling review before, but you can do that. You can push the legs up, they go up, and this can be on your bag recording. So there's just so many options. All right, this is my gear as I'm showing you as I'm heading out. And there's one last thing I'm going to show you. It's 90 degrees in New York today, and I didn't turn on the AC in my studio as yet because I think by tomorrow afternoon the temperature is supposed to plummet down to the 60s. That's not really plummeting, but I really don't need to have AC going as yet. It's not summer. We just had this heat wave and everyone's feeling it. You probably see me sweating. So I'm going to try to finish this up real quick now and show you what's my last ace in the hole. All that mobile equipment. Well, with the Colax, you had a few options. There's a bag that you can get for the center here, but I decided to go with the modular power station. This is a splurge. I mean, this comes as cost of the entire bag, but I say it's a splurge because I have several power stations, and I do wonder what happens if this thing stops working, right? It's only 300 watts, but that's more than enough for any gear that I would be carrying, right? To charging cameras, etc. So this you will see the unboxing here because you just saw me cut it open. I don't know if anybody's ever shown that before. Man, it's hot in here. It comes with a manual. And I'm gonna put a little fan on here. I'm sorry if it makes a little noise in the mic. And let's get the power station out. It's got a power station. It's got another little box in here. That's actually embedded. Okay. I would bet that this is a charger for the power station itself. Yes, it is. I'll pull it out halfway. No need to pull it out all the way. I'm trying to end this video because it's hot. But there it is. Okay. And let's take a look at this real quick. Pop it open. And here it is. It's modular in the back. It slides right into this backpack. It should lock at some point. There we go. It's locked. On the front of it, there's a display. There are two, let me see, I'll turn this better for you. Two AC ports, one that's grounded. There is a power button. It maybe has any power, it'll show up. Yeah, it does. I'm sure you can see that display. It says 99 hours, 0 watts, 76% battery. It's got two USB-Cs. It's got two USB-As. Let me look at it for myself. What is that? And the charging port. It's got a 12-volt port, an input and an output, DC. So they tell you, of course, fully charge before you use, right? Which I will do. But that's the beauty of this, right? The beauty of this now is that you've got a backpack, and it's not that heavy on the back, especially you carrying back. And look, when we're going out to doing videography, photography, anything I've ever done, there's no real expectation that everything's going to be light. That's just not the way it is, right? So think about it with the what do you call it, monopod on the side, and the camera going here can be plugged live if it's running out of power, or I can recharge right here. So that's the plan for this weekend. I'm sure it'll be great. Just wanted to show you the gear that I'll be carrying. I won't do a follow-up with it in terms of how it went unless something went really wrong, because I do expect that you will be seeing this in a lot more of the videos from 247 Tech Talk. These things are all investment in my business, right? My business of being a channel, bringing products to you, giving you honest reviews, and hoping that you'll like, share, subscribe, and comment and share, so that I will do better on YouTube, get more subscribers. Because a lot of the gear like this I buy for myself, and other gear I do get, as I showed you 3 or 4 other items, from sponsors. At the end of the day, not only do I love to do this, but the fact that I'm working towards making this as part of my income for living, and appreciate all the support that I can get from you. So stay tuned until the next one. 247 Tech Talk, out.